The skin around the eyes is some of the thinnest on the human body, at about 0.5 millimeters thick, or roughly the width of 5 sheets of paper. With every furrow, blink, and squint, the delicate skin tissue around the eye area is constantly changing. Add to that the stretching and rubbing we induce, and it's no wonder that the very first signs of aging, stress, and sensitivity show up in this delicate eye area first. And this looks like puffiness, lines, sagging, and dehydration. So it's no surprise that treatments targeting aging around the eye area represent one of the fastest growing market segments in the skincare industry. Unfortunately, these advances have failed to meet the needs of one important segment of our clientele: those who have highly sensitive skin, yet wish to treat the signs of aging around the eye area. Many of the highly active formulations are just too aggressive for individuals with heightened sensitivity and can actually trigger an inflammatory response. Ironically, chronic inflammation can lead to premature aging, and these anti-aging products can actually cause more harm than good for those with sensitive skin. At the International Dermal Institute, we have researched and developed a solution to help treat and prevent the signs of aging around the eye area without triggering additional sensitivity or irritation, all while helping to repair and smooth this delicate skin. As the latest addition to Dermalogica's Ultra Calming System, new Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum uses a unique blend of age-fighting actives to reduce the signs of aging at their cause, while delivering simultaneous relief from the 3 main triggers of skin sensitivity: immunogenic inflammation, neurogenic inflammation, and a compromised lipid barrier. Let's take a look at the ingredients found in Dermalogica's new Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum that combat the signs of aging while soothing and calming skin for a brighter, smoother eye area. As skincare professionals know, peptides are a great tool for treating aging skin. We used Hexapeptide 11, a peptide derived from yeast, to help firm the skin, improve skin elasticity, and improve fine lines. All of these are critical considerations for an eye area product. In addition to Hexapeptide 11, we used magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, or MAP, a stable form of vitamin C. This form of vitamin C is preferred for sensitized skin clients, as the pH of the delivery system does not have to be low or acidic, which can be irritating. Like ascorbic acid, MAP can inhibit melanin formation and promote collagen synthesis for a brighter, smoother skin. Carrot oil is enriched with antioxidant carotenoids and provitamin A, which can be converted into vitamin A or retinol in our skin. Vitamin A helps boost cell renewal and reverse the signs of extrinsically aged skin. These age-fighting actives are combined with a complex derived from red and brown seaweed to reduce inflammation while inhibiting matrix metalloproteinase enzymes, or MMPs, thereby helping to protect the skin from collagen-degrading enzymes. Golden chamomile is an African plant rich in antioxidant polyphenols that also help soothe irritated skin. When combined with red and brown seaweed, these botanical actives can strengthen capillaries to help reduce eye puffiness and help soothe inflammation. As we age, our skin becomes more dehydrated, and given that there are fewer sebaceous glands around the eye area, the integrity of the barrier lipid layer also declines with maturity. Cross-linked hyaluronic acid, which holds 5 times more water than regular hyaluronic acid, hydrates the tissue and also functions as a free radical scavenger, helping to fight off oxidative damage due to free radicals. We have also included soothing aloe, hydrating panthenol, and the antioxidants vitamin E and licorice for their beneficial attributes. And finally, Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum contains Dermalogica's exclusive Ultra Calming Complex to help reduce and prevent future sensitivity, redness, and irritation. Our Ultra Calming Complex includes red hogweed root extract, along with oat, ginger, and bisabolol to help reduce inflammation-induced itch, redness, and irritation. The skin around our eyes is extremely thin and lacks protective lipids, making it much more vulnerable to tissue damage triggered by genetics, physical wear and tear, intrinsic aging, smoking, allergies, diseases, and environmental assaults from UV and climate changes. All of these contribute to a more sensitized skin tissue around the eye, making treatment of the eye area especially difficult. Now we have a solution in Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum, a targeted treatment product to reduce the signs of aging while reducing puffiness around the delicate eye area. Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum is the perfect product solution for any client with sensitive or sensitized skin. It is a fantastic addition to the Ultra Calming system and is also ideal for individuals who prefer a lighter serum for treating the eye area. You can be sure that this new product will be tough on lines and easy on the eyes. We do hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
As you know, a great way to introduce a new product such as Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum to your clients is through product application. Two of the best ways to do this are at the end of a skin treatment or at skin bar. Let's take a look at them individually. First, we will cover the application at the end of a skin treatment. We have created a new microzone treatment called Eye Relief Microzone Treatment. This microzone treatment will firm, revive, and tighten the delicate eye tissue. Throughout the treatment, we use a sponge cloth for product removal to ensure we are not being too aggressive and causing more irritation or sensitivity. The Microzone Eye Relief treatment includes an eye drainage massage that you can learn in class, galvanic current around the eye area in a figure 8 to assist product penetration, aiding in hydrating the tissue, and a combination of 2 professional-only masks, including contour mask and clinical colloidal oatmeal mask. Fantastic for cooling, hydrating, and soothing the eye area. Complete the treatment by introducing Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum and revealing the benefits of this phenomenal product that Dr. Claudia mentioned, such as reducing puffiness and treating aging and sensitivity with one product. This way, the client can experience the product on their skin and hear about the fantastic benefits. Another way to introduce Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum to a client is at the skin bar. It is important to show your client how to apply Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum and let them follow your direction. Apply 2 to 3 drops onto your ring fingers and apply to the eye area, circling 3 times around the eyes and tapping with your ring fingers to ensure it has been absorbed. You can use Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum in the morning and or in the evening. Ultra Smoothing Eye Serum can also be applied over makeup. Since it is a serum, it will not affect your makeup. We know you and your clients are going to love this product. Coming up, you can ask our Dermalogica educators your questions. We look forward to seeing you in class to learn the new Microzone Eye Relief treatment soon.